Hey guys, just wanted to do a quick video for you on canna lilies and how to collect the seeds and when to collect the seeds so you can grow your own canna lilies. So these are the seeds that come from the blooms. There's blooms on each one of these stems. Mine were red. They come in yellow and pink as well. And they're just gorgeous. And they bloom pretty much all summer long. And then they go to seed. And these are what the seeds look like. First they're green and spiky kind of looking. And you don't pick them yet because when they're green and spiky, the seeds haven't matured and you won't get any flowers. They won't grow. You won't get anything. The seeds will just do nothing. You have to wait until they're dry and germinate. And you can tell by the way, see these guys are halfway. My grandson Aiden here is going to pick this one. And show you what's inside the seed. It's brown. You have to wait till it's brown. And there is the canna lily seed.
There's another one. There's another one.
There's two. Jackpot. Sometimes you do get more than one. Look at that. Score. We got two. We got two.
Nice.
Isn't that awesome?
Oh, there's no more on
And then we have to wait for these to dry because they won't be mature otherwise. So we have a lot of seeds coming, guys, and as you can see, sometimes you get two out of there. And this is, I'll show you how many we actually have picked, because we just picked the ones off of this bloom before we made the video. So this is how many seeds I have so far, about 9. All right, thanks for checking out our channel. If you're new here, make sure you give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We really do appreciate it. Take care. Bye.